y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my weekly cleaning routine. So everything that I do that's only needed to be done weekly will be in this routine. And I'm going to be sharing my daily cleaning routine and my monthly cleaning routine and even my as needed cleaning routine later on with you guys in other videos. So be on the lookout for those. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you to go ahead and click that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up if you like cleaning videos or routines like this. This video is a collaboration with my friend Catherine Joy, and her channel is called Now That I'm a Mother. Catherine's channel is dedicated to encouraging moms, and she's just a big ball of energy. I absolutely love her channel, and I think that you guys will love her too. So make sure that after you're done watching my video, you go check out her video. I'll leave a link down in the description box so it's easy to find. So most of you guys know, but I have a 7-year-old boy named Kason and an almost 5, she'll be 5 at the end of July, little girl named Gracie June, and so they're home with me during the summer. This past year was my first year being a stay-at-home / work-from-home mom, so now they're actually home with me during the summer, and so our weekly cleaning routine definitely is a little bit more sporadic than the school year, because during the school year I like to group most of my weekly cleaning or even my monthly cleaning, things like that need to be done around the house. I try to group them all into 1 or 2 days to get it all done and knocked out, and that way I can kind of free up my schedule for the rest of the week to do my Etsy shop or do videos or go to my kids' school and volunteer and all of that. But since my kids are home with me during the summer, then I have to be a lot more creative with my time because I don't want to be constantly cleaning all day or working all day and not giving them any attention. So I do have a morning cleaning routine that I've already posted on my channel, and then also I do a nightly cleaning routine, which I did post one a while back. I might have to go and update that, but I do have those that kind of help keep our house nice and tidy. But as for my cleaning, my real cleaning, my weekly cleaning things, I try to do some of that a little bit each day throughout the week whenever I have time. But I definitely think that if you have a morning cleaning routine or in a nighttime cleaning routine, it helps put everything else in order. It keeps your house from getting super messy and makes the weekly stuff a little bit easier to manage. So today I'm just gonna kind of share with you guys all the things that I clean in my house on a weekly basis. And y'all let me know down in the comments below if there's things that you clean weekly. I would love to know if there's anything that I'm leaving off of my list that you think I need to be cleaning every week that I didn't mention in this video. The first thing that we do weekly is the bedding, and usually I will do the kids' bedding one week and then I'll do our bedding the next week. So Kason and Gracie June's will get cleaned the same week, and then the next week I'll do mine and Chance's bed. And I always use the Mrs. Meyer's laundry detergent and fabric softener for our bedding and any of our clothes. Deep cleaning the bathrooms is another one of our weekly tasks, so I do all 3 bathrooms. I use the Method Daily Glass Surface Cleaner for all of the mirrors in our bathrooms. I use the Method Daily Granite on all the countertops, and the Method Anti-Bac inside of our sinks. I also open a new sponge weekly and use them to clean all the insides of our sinks. I use the 7th generation disinfecting wipes for the outside of the toilet, and then I use the Method Anti-Bac toilet bowl cleaner for the inside of the toilet. I do have to vacuum in here more than once a week, but I only mop once a week, and so I will vacuum right before I do the mopping in the bathroom. I use the Dyson V7 to vacuum, and then I use our Bona mop to do all the mopping in the house. Taking out the trash in the bathrooms and bedrooms is another one of our weekly tasks. We only vacuum the upstairs once a week because it's not a very high traffic area. The kids don't really go in their rooms much except for when they're sleeping. They do go in the playroom every day, but we don't wear shoes or anything upstairs, and the dog doesn't really go in there much except for at night sometimes. So that's why we only do it once a week. Another item on our list is to vacuum and mop downstairs one time a week. So we do vacuum more than once, but whenever we are getting ready to mop, we always do a quick vacuum beforehand, and then we give all the floors downstairs a good cleaning. The last thing that we like to clean weekly is the front door windows, and that's because they get tons of pollen on the outside, and then on the inside and outside we get little fingerprints all over the windows.
I just wanna hear you say that you want me to. I told you I can't get you off my mind. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here.
So those are all of the things that I clean at least once a week, and I only do it weekly. I don't do it more than once. Sometimes I might clean our guest bathroom a few times a week, just depending on how many have been in and out, or if we're having company over. I like to make sure that it's nice and clean before anybody goes in there. But other than that, I only clean all those things once a week. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed getting to see my weekly routine and what I'm cleaning on a weekly basis. If you did, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to go check out Catherine Joy's video down in the description box. She's going to be giving her weekly routine to you guys, and she's got 2 toddlers under 2, or 2 kids under 2. So her weekly routine might look a little bit different than mine. She might have some very good tips for you guys if you're in that stage of life as well. If you're new, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!